This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Stuart. Self-contained cottage near farming community, just outside of Kingston. Close to shopping, NYS Thruway, train station and lots of recreational facilities. Completely newly remodeled with great room for living, dining and kitchen, laundry and 2 bedrooms. Nice shady deck for summer afternoons. Small garden area and yard. Potential renters must wear masks. Rental application required along with credit check, employment check and recent housing history. For more information, review the details below or contact Stuart at 845-853-3930.